Hey guys, it's Michael from Top4 Marketing. How are you today? Today I just want to take you through the product features of Top4, the platform that gets you more leads and exposure for your website globally. Let me just take you through the product. One of our clients, Rejuvenate Wellness Center. So let me just take you through that now. So what you see on your screen now is the dashboard that the client will see. You can manage your account. Now what we wanted to do today is you add your products. You click on an image for your product, you go through, you've got your name, your description, your general product categories. Coming in from there, your postcode, obviously we're now global, so this is one of our Australian clients. You put in your keywords, your postcodes, coming through there. And then next, what we're going to do is use the AI tools to generate the product descriptions and the keywords. So going through there, once you go to your dashboard, your AI tools. So let's go for the product service description. So this will now generate a description for your product. AI, it's amazing. So coming through there, you choose one of them here, and you take that across, and then you put that into your products. Yeah. So coming in there, so coming down, there we are, we go back into that again. You get your product descriptions, coming back in. So you put your description into there, coming through again from that, adding your keywords. Your hashtags, your keywords for social media, etc. There's your description. You can edit that, save that, put in your keywords, and then submit. There we go. There is your advert and your products on the Top4 platform. That's it for today. Cheers, Michael from Top4.